Alright, so I gotta repair the fuel tank on this car because it leaks quite badly. It's held together with JB Weld, and I have quite the task ahead of me to repair this gas tank. So this should be pretty interesting, so follow along. Alright, so the problem I'm seeing is that these tabs were smashed flat like that, not allowing that O-ring to seal, so they should have been bent something like that, and they align with these two slots down here. I've got all of the JB Weld cleaned up off of all the important parts. There's still some on here, but that doesn't matter, so I'm going to leave that. Actually, the O-ring was in there. The only thing was it was getting smashed with these two tabs. So I believe it will actually seal if put together properly. So we're going to give that a shot here. I was thinking about testing the fuel sending unit, but you know, this is really not that hard to replace once it's in the car, so I don't really care. Now it's all down to if that O-ring is going to cooperate. And I got that installed finger tight. Just need a little hammer, tap it around. Done. That's all there is to it.